started thinking that it's so silly of me to be afraid of what isn't there. So took the covers off of my head and started looking down the hallway again. There came the man.
When you talk about dreams, talk about fantasy. But when you deal in reality, you're working with concepts, tangents, things that happen.
Sign waves.
Don't live in fantasy. This fantasy will get you nowhere. You gotta live. Live for what's right. Live for what's true.
What's right?
Live for you. Live for you.
It ain't shit true.
Stand up for what you believe in. Be strong.
I believed in things before, things that were real to me, but they were just fantasy, just dreams. Like I knew for sure that that man wanted to kill me. It was real to me, but was I just dreaming? Or when is reality real, and when is dreaming dreaming? You know, like sometimes when you wake up and the bed's wet, and you dreamt that you went and took a piss, but you didn't, you just dreamed. Not that it's happened to me, but hey, I've heard about it, you know. So, sometimes I like to dream about what other people are dreaming about, like what people are dreaming about.